Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best Mica Bath Bombs is probably one of the most visually appealing and luxurious bath products you can create at home, and with the right mica powder, you can achieve vibrant, shimmering colors that will transform your bathroom into a spa-like oasis. In this video, we will explore the wonderful world of mica powder for bath bombs, examining different types, colors, and application techniques to help you create the perfect, dazzling bath bomb. Number 5. Rolio Mica Powder Set. It's available in a wide array of vibrant colors to make your project stand out. Its versatile mix is easy to use in many different applications. This artisan-made powder uses strong pigments, so a little goes a long way. You'll get the exact color you need without using a lot of powder. Make your next DIY project shine. It's perfect for resin, soap, candles, and more. Use these safe, cosmetic-grade pigments for your creative projects. These fine pigments are formulated to be safe and easy to use. Each jar contains approximately 10 grams of pigment. This powder is long-lasting and perfect for a variety of crafts and projects. Use it for soap making, epoxy resin, candles, and more. What we like. If you need a wide array of colors for various projects and want professional quality, this is the set for you. Its strong pigments ensure vibrant results with minimal powder. You'll find yourself using it again and again for all your crafting needs. What people say. The variety of vibrant and shimmery colors gives endless possibilities for creativity. Each pigment mixes easily, resulting in smooth and even color distribution without clumping. It works really well and gives you exactly what you want. The bottles were actually bigger than I was expecting, and although I've used each multiple times, I'm not even close to running out. The containers look little, but the pigment is very strong and a little bit goes a long way. Can use for various arts and crafts projects. Beautiful shades. Number 4. Mica Powder Pigment Set. This set includes 15 shimmering mica powder colors. Each one is finely ground for easy mixing and blending into your creations. It's perfect for cosmetics. These pigments are safe for use around the eyes, lips, and skin, making it ideal for DIY beauty products. The superfine mica powders are free of fillers and impurities, ensuring vibrant, long-lasting color that won't bleed or fade. Just shake the bottle before use. It blends seamlessly into soap, resin, and other materials, creating beautiful, even color. Use it for everything from slime and cosmetics to professional projects like car paint and epoxy resin countertops. The possibilities are endless. The set comes in 15 convenient, transparent bottles, keeping your workspace organized and your mica powders readily accessible. After your purchase, you'll receive a helpful guide by mail, providing inspiration and instructions for your DIY projects. What we like. If you're looking for a diverse palette of natural and safe mica powders, this is a great option. The ultrafine consistency ensures easy blending and vibrant results in your DIY projects, perfect for those prioritizing natural ingredients and smooth application. What people say. The powder is very fine, so it mixes well with the resin without leaving any clumps. The colors are very pretty and you can add as much as you want to achieve your desired color shade. There is a beautiful array of colors to use on their own or to mix for a unique combination. We had both clear and opaque bases for both, and the colors were vibrant in the clear base. The opaque base yields more pastel colors. The silver adds extra sparkle. The product was a decent size, easy to use, very bright colors. It was easy to mix. The powder is a rich consistency. Number 3. Smalltongue Mica Powder. It's made from naturally ground stone mica, free of harmful chemicals. This ensures a long-lasting, pure, and odorless color for your creations. You get 36 unique colors, 30 metallic shades plus 6 stunning mirage colors. Each comes in a convenient 0.35-ounce bottle. It's incredibly versatile. Use it in lip gloss, epoxy resin, soap making, makeup, and countless other DIY projects. It's cruelty-free and vegan. The non-toxic formula is gentle enough for makeup, including eyeshadow and lip gloss. It makes a wonderful present for any artist or crafter. Ideal for birthdays, holidays, or any special occasion. What we like. If you are seeking an extensive color selection for diverse applications and prioritize safety and quality, this is your best bet. Its versatility makes it suitable for cosmetics and various crafts, all while being gentle on the skin. What people say. I use them often for crafts such as making car fresheners and love how vibrant and accurate the colors come out. I also recently used them with grout mix for mosaics and it works great there as well. Great mix of colors, great pigmentation and full jars. From brights to pastels, this set has something for everyone. The colors are beautiful, and the pigments are very fine. They are easy to work with and have really impressed me. The amount of each color is quite generous as well. Number 2. Unicone Mica Powder. This versatile powder is perfect for adding a touch of sparkle to your next project. It's professional grade, so you know it's high quality and long-lasting. It's finely ground and highly pigmented, ensuring vibrant colors that won't fade. It's also resistant to high temperatures, making it suitable for a wide range of applications. This powder is completely safe for use in cosmetics and many other DIY projects. It's GMO-free, cruelty-free, and safe for skin contact. Use it in soap making, resin crafts, slime, candles, or even makeup. The possibilities are endless with this versatile pigment. A little goes a long way with this pigment. Add a touch of sparkle, shine, or pearlescent effects to any project to elevate its beauty. Made by artists, for artists, this product meets the highest standards of quality. You can purchase with confidence, knowing you're getting a superior product. What we like. If high-quality, non-toxic mica powder is your priority, this is the perfect choice. Its versatility and vibrant colors make it ideal for a wide range of projects, from cosmetics to crafts. The large jar ensures you always have plenty on hand. What people say. The powder consists of fine, crushed crystals that add a beautiful sparkle and shimmer to my resin creations. The colors are vibrant and reflective, creating a gorgeous effect that catches the light beautifully. A little bit goes a long way. I bought the SM jar and don't have to use much to get great coverage. So I'm glad to know that this little jar is going to last quite a while. I love this for resin. You do not need much to get a great sparkle. Number 1. Mica Powder Pigment Kit. This kit includes 33-gram bags of shimmering mica powder, offering a wide array of colors for all your crafting needs. Mix and match to create your own unique shades. It's ideal for epoxy and UV resin projects. Use it to create stunning river tables, jewelry, or other resin crafts. Made with high-quality mica and titanium dioxide, it's non-toxic and safe for use in cosmetics and various DIY projects. Enjoy crafting without worries. These versatile pigments are perfect for soap, candle, and bath bomb making, as well as lip gloss, slime, and more. Let your creativity shine. Each bag is clearly labeled with the color name and weight. The entire set comes in a nice box for easy storage and use. It makes a wonderful gift for DIY enthusiasts of all skill levels. Surprise your friends and family with this creative present. What we like. If you value variety, safety, and convenience, this is the kit for you. The individual bags make it easy to use and store, perfect for those who enjoy a wide range of colors for their DIY projects. What people say. The pearl white mica powder brings a touch of elegance to the wood burns, creating a stunning visual effect. Its pearlescent finish adds depth and dimension to the burnt patterns, enhancing the overall aesthetic appeal of the woodwork. What sets this mica powder apart is its versatility. It seamlessly blends into various types of wood, enhancing the natural grain while creating a mesmerizing sheen. Applying the pearl white mica powder is a straightforward process. It adheres smoothly to the epoxy, and a little goes a long way. The fine texture allows for precise application, giving me control over the intensity of the pearlescent effect. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.